Oh, well, there is that fence that lady hates. And I'm fixing to call this lady Eric. Because that's, you know how some people call, there's this new thing where they call women who exhibit a particular behavior, they call them Karens. Well, from now on, when people do that to me, I'm just going to call them Erics. Now, this lady is an Eric, and this is the fence that she's had trouble with. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you where our property stake is, one of them, because the other one's down there, and I don't feel like walking that far. But, there's one, and I am a foot inside our property line, and the other one's down at that corner outside. And the problem is, apparently, this street comes down to the corner where the dog is laying, so I got to put a new fence up. Not a big deal. Actually, not that corner, right here. I'll show you. As a matter of fact, I found a property stake in this hole. And so I got to make a gate. What I'm going to do is leave that gate there. The town really doesn't want to get involved in this, but they don't want any trouble from Eric either. And she's already gotten a lawyer involved, which she lost this battle, but she's winning that battle, which is just fine. So what I'm going to do is open that gate, leave it open, and then I'm going to build a gate right here where I'm sitting, where that string is, right here. And probably $300 or so worth of lumber, and then I'm going to build a gate out of 1.5 inch or 1 1/4 inch square tubing, and be done with it and move on. What she wanted was to put a driveway in back here, but we own, I say we, I mean it's actually Bev that owns this. When I say we, it's because we're all in this together. And we die, our place goes to her. If she dies, her place goes to us. I mean, we're all in this together here. So anyway, the land plat shows that we own that side of the road and this side of the road. So technically, that lady can come down here and drive right up to where I'm at, and that's it. What she wanted to do was put a driveway in back here, and we said, well, you can't do that because that's private property. And that's what she was disputing. And everybody's gotten involved. The survey says that is our property. So I don't know if she's gonna, dispute a survey and a land plat and 40 years worth of proof that's property belongs to this. And I don't care. I don't care. There's enough Erics in the world that you just gotta let some of the Erics slide off. And that's what I'm doing. I'm opening that gate and I'm putting the fence up here. It's just it's from end to end, it's about 60 feet of gate and fence, so no big deal. I'm having a 6x6 go in here, so I gotta dig and this is gonna be where my gate is gonna hang off of this 6x6. So I gotta dig a really big hole there and put about 300 pounds of concrete in it, and then just some 4x4s over to where that string is. And I'll show you as I get along. I'm going to finish digging this hole here. I had to get a crowbar, and this is all iron ore up here, which is why we get so many lightning strikes. So I'm down through the iron ore. I had to get a crowbar and a sledgehammer to get through it. And now I'm finally to the point where I can dig down with a post hole digger. So that's what I'm doing. right, let's get the day started. The nice side is going to be outside. Okay. Holes dug, poles are in. They're squared. My wife and I just leveled all these poles. And now we're going to take a break and go get the cement. I got it. I just got to go down to the other house down there, get a wheelbarrow, start mixing up cement and putting it in these holes. And tomorrow morning, I will put my cross pieces up and start putting the pickets on. I'll have this done by noon tomorrow, and then I've decided I am going to move that gate that's up there. I'm going to put it right here. All right, we'll be mixing cement. The next clip. How do you lose a wheelbarrow? It's not in my garage. It's not in this shed. It's not in Bev's shed. Good Lord. It's not there. It ain't here. That's a fertilizer spreader there. Ain't here. That's my spalted hackberry. I've got a lot more to cut up too. So I got one more place to look. My God. I do not believe this. How could a wheelbarrow just disappear? Huh. I just don't get it. Now I gotta go buy a frickin' wheelbarrow. Okay, my wife found it, of course. Every married man on the planet knows if you can't find something, ask your wife. So where did you put it?
Now you know I have not used that wheelbarrow because it's too heavy and I can't turn it when I get it full of dirt. So when you put that other tire on there, that was the end of me using it.
Okay, mystery solved. It was around the side of the garage there. And I don't know why my wife put it there.
Who put it there?
I don't know why you put that there. I wasn't here that day. I called in sick. All right. Well, we made some good progress. Tomorrow, I put the cross pieces up and start tacking on the pickets like that. Oh, just a little bit shy on that one, but the rest of them are full up. Okay. It's still early in the morning. We got started 7 o'clock. We were out here. All right, it's supposed to be a drizzly, misty day, and it is. Ever since we got up, it's been foggy and misty. So gotta hope tomorrow's a little better. I hope this stuff dries. Yeah, it'll dry. All right, we'll be back tomorrow.